Okay, how's it going, guys? I thought I'd do another one of these because they're quite fun to do, to be perfectly honest with you. So, I'm at Bassets Cove at the moment, which is sort of north of Portreath, a little bit further up from Hell's Mouth. You can just about see Portreath Lighthouse just behind that headland there. And yeah, it's a pretty cool little spot here, and it's quite quiet. But what I thought I'd do today is ride up the coast to Portreath, which is just around the corner really, up there, and take you guys along with me. I've got my drone, so I'll fly maybe one or two batteries up there. I don't know Portreath super well. Let's just close my visor because it's quite windy. Yeah, I don't know Portreath super well. I've been there quite a few times, you know, it's not that far from where I live, but I don't know it super well, so yeah, I won't be able to give you the kind of local knowledge on it or anything, but I just thought I'd go there for a change, really. No other reason than that. Okay, let's get moving. Now, it's pretty windy today, which may mean you can't hear me so good, but we'll just see what happens. But yeah, this coast road is it's quite a fun one to cruise up, going from Hale north towards you know, Camborne and St Agnes. It does get a bit narrow in places. Yeah, it is pretty windy. Hopefully you can hear me. And it does occasionally get a few slow moving tractors or caravans that kind of clog it up, but it never seems to get that busy. Obviously the main traffic comes up and down the A30 over there to the right, and this is running parallel. Just where I pulled out the road there, by the way, pulled onto this road, opposite there is Tahiti Woods, and I highly recommend checking out Tahiti Woods. There's not a lot of sort of leafy areas on the north coast. Well, there's a few, but not quite as many as there are in other parts of the UK. And it's a really nice little sort of varied woods that have some really ancient trees, some swings for the kids, rivers running through it, a bit of variety really. Yeah, I do like it. It's really good in the spring, so the bluebells come out. Give this guy a nod. Oh, police. Even though I'm doing nothing wrong, I always think, oh, it's the police. Yeah, Tahiti Woods, I do highly recommend it. It can get really boggy and muddy after a rainfall, so to bring your wellies. And they have a few events there as well, which really can be quite interesting, performance arts and stuff. So yeah, definitely give it a check out if you're in the area and you like woods. Good for dog walks, all that kind of thing. So we have a junction here. This guy doesn't know where he's going. We're going to go straight on towards Portreath, which is just around the corner, around a very steep hill basically. And we'll find a little safe spot to fly the drone and yeah, explore. This is not a hill you want to have your brakes failing on you. Some of these houses over there have amazing views. I don't think Portreath is the prettiest place, to be perfectly honest with you, but it has its moments. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice today, isn't it? There we go, really clean waves. I should know the name of that rock that's out there. I'll put it on the screen, this one out here, but I can't remember off the top of my head now. But yeah, I think I have flown a drone here once before, but I really don't know it as well as I should, considering it's not too far from where I live. But let's check it out. We'll pop into car park here. Really clean little wave over there. Okay, let's find a spot to fly. Okay, let's have a little look around. Now let's go and have a look at this north end jetty thing here. And again, we got a bit of an overcast day, but it's not looking too bad. Cool little thing on the end there. Yeah, the cliffs are pretty cool here. I really need to find out what that rock's called over there. I will look it up. I used to know. It's one of those things that my dad told me probably years ago when we came on holiday. But yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. Big old bite out of this cliff here. Let's go up to the top and then sort of sloop down the side. Oh yeah, I can see the big crack there. Definitely going to be some more bits of that falling off at some point. And then you've got these really cool little houses and hotels and cafes and things sort of nestled into the cliffside. Don't want to get too near anyone's house, but it's just really cool looking at the way all this is built, all this onto the cliff here. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little spot. Just make sure I'm not near anyone. And let's sort of whiz up and over, well not over, but up towards the back of the beach. So that's the car park there where I just put my bike. Lots of fish and chips and ice cream spots. Little river running down here. Yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. Really clean waves again today with the easterly winds. Well, southeasterly. Okay, let's bring it back in. It's a really stony beach around here. It's quite tricky to find a spot to land. I don't really want to be in sand. I don't really want to be on stones. There's a good book. That'll do. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. I'm quite tempted to fly out further towards the rock there and have a good look at it. Maybe I'll just fly one more battery. Okay, we'll do one more quick flight. Got some surfers on the way out there. It's a little bit hard to see and to judge exactly how far this rock is out. And my batteries only last sort of 3.5, 4 minutes. So I don't want to get over enthusiastic. You can see Gadrivi Lighthouse again now that we've moved out a little bit. Just curious what this rock looks like from the other side. It looks like a big rock. Oh, I like the way it kind of curls over the edge there. It's almost like a giant wave breaking out towards the sea. Give the birds a bit of distance. Okay, there you go. See the craggy coastline running all the way down there. Certainly is a rugged spot around here. Let's creep up, follow the cliff along. Big cave there, see that? Well, I'm not sure how deep it is, but Certainly worth checking out at low tide. How are those surfers getting on? Okay, there you go. So that's a little look at Portreath. Let's bring her in. I think that's enough of a look around. Uh-oh. Dog near me. I like dogs, but not when I'm landing a drone, I don't. Yeah, he's far enough away. I think we're okay. Okay, that'll do. Nice little flight. Call that quits. So there you go. There's a look at Portreath. Hope you had fun. See you later.